What's up, everyone? This Beast.
This Beauty. How are you guys?
What's going on? Right now, we got another snack crate.
Yes.
And the
brought
surprise
to you by
is the UK. So we're gonna see what type of snacks they have and see if we like them or not.
Yes.
So,
hold on a second. Okay. So here go the book. As always. With all the snacks in it. So it gives us all these different snacks and a name of a few.
So let's see what we have. Alright.
It looked like Lay's, but they're called Walkers.
Cheese and
onions. And you guys see? Cheese and onions.
What's the next one? Oh, you want to open them, try this one first? Or you want to show them everything at once? Okay. It's cheese and onions. Let me see.
It smell bad?
By the smell of it, I don't like it. Look like a Lay's.
They look just like Lay's potato chips.
They're doable, but it's not my cup of tea.
They look just like Lay's.
But their chips is more thicker than Lay's, yeah.
Not bad. Not bad.
They remind me of Walkers, onion and cheese.
I don't know.
What's next?
Let's try these Walkers. These are Walkers too. It's called the Monster Munch.
What's the flavor?
Let me see if I can get it to zoom in correctly. Can you guys see that? I don't know. Oh, pickled onion. This is pickled onion.
Seems like everything that they have is just thick onion or cheddar onion.
I like an onion. Ooh. Oh, it smells so vinegary-ish.
Yeah.
Oh, it's strong. Look.
Look like a crown.
No, I think it's supposed to be like a monster paw or something. See? What is that?
I need the water.
Oh. It's horrible.
That was nasty. That was very, very nasty.
Ugh. No, thank you. What is this one? These are hula hoops. It's supposed to be barbecue beef.
Big hoops.
Hula hoops. See?
Oh.
Well, it's big hoops, but they hula hoops. Barbecue beef.
That's what it look like.
A little hoop ring. This is gross. Oh, I think this is the worst one we got.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Next one. Dairy
milk
buttons.
Dairy milk buttons. Ugh.
Let's see.
Those hoops. Ooh. I would rather deal with the Monster Munch than that hoop stuff. Oh, you got me scared. I'm scared to eat these now after
like
everything.
little chocolate. Where go the chocolate?
Yeah, it's chocolate.
Crabberry. They made by the little people that makes the eggs. The same company that makes the little Easter eggs.
Okay, that was good. I was still a little hesitant about eating that, but that actually was pretty good.
Fruit pastels. So
See it?
It remind me of like lifesavers. So that's what they look like.
You think so?
Let's see. It's a hard candy. No, they're chewable.
Hello. What was the flavor?
Grape. That was grape.
Trying to get it out the pack, y'all. Hey. Cause I'm in the middle of doing something. Yeah, call me back. I love you. Okay. Goodbye. That was my son. Ugh. That was a green one. What was?
I had the purple one. Now, last but not least,
This wasn't that good.
This is called Sherbet Fountain. Probably like a dipstick. I'm assuming.
This whole box was messed up. Y'all gotta excuse my camera if it's shaking. My cat is down there. Stop it now. Ew. What is that? Look at this, y'all. What is this white stuff? What is that?
Black licorice.
I ain't trying that. I'm good. You ain't gotta worry about me trying that. I don't do black licorice.
Out of all the Snackcrate boxes that we didn't got,
This was the worst one.
this was the worst one.
So if y'all ever order
or go to the UK, try to avoid the snacks that we just had.
please do not suggest to send you this, because you do have an option when you order it from them. You can ask them what countries you want it from, but I recommend do not order the UK one. Gross. It's the worst.
See, my thing is this.
And did you pick that?
Nah, I didn't pick that.
Okay, so he didn't even pick
So
this box.
basically, how they do it is, once you set up your payment, they take like $21 out your account once a month. You don't know where the snack is coming from. So if you watched our last ones, we had Hawaii and Canada. Now we got the UK. So I'm sorry, you guys, we didn't get the soda this time to find out.
I'm glad we did. It probably would have been nasty.
Exactly. So the next crate box that we gonna get, we don't know where it's coming from. It could come from
hopefully it's better than
Korea,
this one.
Africa. Thank you for enjoying it. The snack crate wasn't a good one this time, but
hopefully the next snack crate they send is better than this one, because if not, if it's just as bad as this or worse, we're gonna just cancel our subscription with them.
nah, you can't.
Why? No.
Because I want to try
this was
everything.
horrible.
I want to try everything across the world.
I don't care. It was nasty to me, y'all. He'll be doing these by himself.
I do it by myself.
He'll be by alone. It'll just be the B show.
I like that ringing. The B show.
It'll be the B show, because guess what? Beauty will not involve herself. Ooh, excuse me. Ugh. Will not involve herself in none of this nasty activity.
I hope the next one I get come from the DR or somewhere around that region. So just look back at us.
I don't care where it comes from, as long as it tastes good.
You don't like them. We don't like them onion type flavored chips.
It ain't just that candy was nasty
The
too.
licorice, all that.
I didn't think the liquid green candy was gross.
I would never buy no snack food from the UK. Now the chocolate was okay because
it was all right.
Hopefully the next one we have a better one for you.
Yep. So, everyone, if this is your first time seeing us, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit like, and leave us a genuine comment. We love you, and we see you on the next one. Bye.
See you later.